As always, I hope this recording finds you and your family well. And today we are not on our old familiar Montville Library homepage. We are actually on the Zoom homepage, which is not at zoom.com. It is at zoom.us. So if you want to directly browse there with your web browser, it's zoom.us, or you can search for Zoom using a search engine like Google to get there. And the reason we're here is that our library recently was awarded a Zoom account from the state library. I think all the public libraries in New Jersey received a Zoom account. And so now, in addition to our GoToMeeting account, which we have been using for virtual programming for months now, we are also going to be adding Zoom. So there may be some events in the future that may be on the Zoom platform instead of GoToMeeting. The best part about this is it gives us the ability to schedule more events because you can only host one meeting at a time with the GoToMeeting platform. So this will open up opportunities for us to schedule even more programming potentially, or not have to worry about overlapping programming. So today I just wanted to quickly show you how to get started with it. It's very easy, very similar to GoToMeeting. And so the first step is to go to the Zoom homepage at zoom.us. And then once you're here in the upper right corner, you'll notice there's a resources tab. You're going to hover over that and then click on Zoom, download Zoom client. If you're on a desktop or a laptop, this first link here, Zoom Client for Meetings, that's the one you're going to want to click and download and install. It is free, of course. There is also mobile apps, so you can also download it from your mobile device for, with your iPhone or your iPad if you have an Apple device, or your Android phone or tablet if you have a Android device. Very easy to install. Installs just like any software typically does. Once you've done that, I'm just going to quickly show you here the Zoom client itself. You create an account with a username and a password when you install the software. I've already gone ahead and done that. And the good thing is, just like GoToMeeting, we will send you an email ahead of time with an email invitation. So you don't have to worry about anything other than opening that email when the meeting is scheduled and clicking on the link that we provide. But today, just so I can show you the interface, I'm going to pretend I'm starting a new meeting, just so you can see what the window looks like. And this is very weird looking at myself talking. When you first launch, you're going to click Join with Computer Audio. That'll open up access to your microphone and your speakers so that you can hear the meeting and you can also comment as well. I'm just going to click that. And then you'll notice down at the bottom, I'm going to stop the video because it's weird looking at myself. You're going to notice here are your controls. So you have a chat feature. Very nice if you want to ask a question without disturbing the audio of the meeting. You can type it there. Or if you just want to make a comment to the rest of the participants, you could do that right there too. We're just going to close that. Participants, this will be a list of everybody in the meeting. Can be useful. Security is something you won't have to worry about unless you're a host, which if you're attending one of our events, you won't be the host. That just allows the host to prevent things like Zoom bombing, which you might have read about in the media. In other words, uninvited guests crashing a private Zoom meeting. That's all handled through the security tab to prevent that. And then you can also mute your mic here or unmute your mic. And here you can also start and stop your video as well. So these two basic controls here are very important. And that's basically it. Like I said, it's very simple. There's also one other control I forgot to show you here. In the upper right corner, you can go full screen. So if you want the Zoom meeting to take up your entire screen on your laptop or your desktop, you can go ahead and click that button up there. Very, very simple, very easy to use. And when you're done with the meeting, you just click End and leave the meeting. You won't have this option, End Meeting for All, unless you're the host. You would just click Leave Meeting. And there you go. So hopefully we'll see you on some Zoom events soon, and take care and have a great day. See you next time.